Hello students, we are back with English language. In the last session we did nouns and its kinds. Yes, chapter number 3 plus 4, the noun and its kinds. We have written the definition, then we wrote the different kinds of noun. I explained you proper noun and common noun, and we did exercise also. Once again, a quick revision. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. Then I told you there are different kinds of nouns. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun and possessive noun. We have done exercise 1. Then we wrote the definition of proper noun and common noun. Proper nouns are special names given to a person, place, animal or thing. Proper nouns always begin with the capital letter, and we never use the with names of people. And common nouns, common name given to a place, people, animal or thing of the same kind. Then we did exercise 2. See, vegetable, common name. But when I say cabbage, it's a special name. So it's a proper noun, and this is common word for cabbage. That's a vegetable. Moving on to our next kind of noun. First, write down date. Today is 7, sleeping line 8, sleeping line 20. Today we'll write about collective noun. Collective, collection, एक साथ इकट्ठा कोई चीज. यस, कलेक्टिव नाउन. व्हाट इज अ कलेक्टिव नाउन? जब हमारे पास बहुत सारी चीज होती है तो उसके लिए हम बार बार ये नहीं बोलेंगे अ ग्रुप ऑफ सोल्जर्स या अ ग्रुप ऑफ प्लेयर्स. अ ग्रुप, एक कोई ग्रुप है हमारे पास बहुत सारी चीज़ों का, तो हम उसके लिए बार बार ग्रुप वर्ड नहीं यूज़ करेंगे. हम उसके लिए डिफरेंट वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हैं, जिसको हम बोलते हैं कलेक्टिव नाउन. राइट डाउन द डेफिनेशन. अ one finger gap should be there. Collective noun is the name given to group of, see, group of, किसी का भी ग्रुप हो, people, comma, group of animals, comma, places or things. Full stop. Understood? Group of people, group of animals, group of places or group of things. When we are giving a name to a group of people, that is a collective noun. For example, then in the new line write down a team of players. Now, प्लेयर्स की क्या होती है, बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स हैं एक साथ, तो ग्रुप तो बोलेंगे नहीं. उसके लिए क्या कलेक्टिव वर्ड यूज है? collective noun? Team. So this team is a collective noun. Understood? Moving further. Now, turn the page. Again write down date. Exercise 3. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate collective noun. Now we have to write an appropriate collective noun for the given thing. A dash, always underline in the fourth line, of sailors, full stop. There are two options, group / crew. So what it should be? A group of sailors or a crew of sailors? Just keep it third line. So it is a crew of sailors. So write down crew here. Number 2. A dash of mountains. Collection और रेंज. SST में आप पढ़ते हो हिमालयन रेंज, यस, अरावली रेंज. सो माउंटेन्स की क्या होती है? रेंज. नेक्स्ट, नंबर 3. अ डैश of pearls. pearls क्या होते हैं? मोती. तो pearls की क्या होती है? string और box. pearls की माला बनती है तो string में pearls डालते हैं, इसलिए string. Number 4. A dash of stars. It is number / galaxy. It is galaxy. A galaxy of stars. Number 5. A dash of drawers. Chest or book. So the collective noun for this is chest. Number 6. A dash of singers. Band or choir. स्कूल असेंबली में बहुत सारे सिंगर्स जो प्रेयर बोलते हैं. Yes, then they sing songs also. So those are the singers. तो एक साथ जब सब खड़े होते तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? ग्रुप ऑफ सिंगर्स नहीं बोलते, choir of singers बोलते हैं. A band of musician. So this is your exercise 3 which you have to do it in your notebook, and the definition of collective noun. Moving to a book work, I gave you homework in the book. Page number 9, isn't it? I told you to do this exercise. Here are the answers, you can check it. The letters which you have to write capital, I have underlined those letters. You can see and you can check your answers here. The proper nouns here are written in capital letters. You have to write full sentence. Suppose this one I am taking second one as an example. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal at Agra to show his love for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Shah Jahan special name written in capital. Then built the Taj Mahal special. There is only one Taj Mahal in the world, so it will be in capital. At Agra, special name of a city, again capital, it's a proper noun. To show his love for his wife Mumtaz, capital Mahal, full stop. So I have underlined the first letters that you have to write capital letter, and first letter is always capital. Now your homework is to do page number 10 and 11. Write down homework here. I am explaining you. Do it in book only, and write down date also. This is the homework which I am giving you. Complete the story using suitable proper nouns. The clues in brackets will help you. You have to fill suitable proper nouns in the blanks. Let's read. Today is dash. We have to write a day of a week. Okay. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, a name of a day here. So Tom doesn't have to go to school. Which day we don't go to school? On Sunday. So today we'll write today is Sunday. He is bored, so he calls his friend dash. Now you have to write name of a boy. You can write any name. Your best friend's name. I am writing Sushant. Like this you have to complete this exercise. And in this exercise I have already explained you common nouns and proper nouns. Underline the common nouns and encircle the proper nouns in the sentences. First one I am doing for you. Sunday is the first day of the week. Now first we'll encircle the proper noun. Proper noun always begins with capital letter. Yes. So Sunday is a special name. So we'll encircle it. It's a proper noun. Any other name we can see here? A special name? No. Then we have to underline common nouns. So we have already encircled Sunday, it's a proper noun. Is not a common noun. The, no. First, no. Day is a common word. We will underline it. It's a common noun. Of the week. Week is also a common noun. Like this you have to complete this. Then in this, match the common nouns in column A with suitable proper nouns in column B. Matching, you know, we have already done this kind of exercise in the book. Name of a country we have to find out. So So, is there any name of a country here? Yes, Bangladesh. So, we'll write down number 1 here. Okay. If you want, you can do matching or you can write down numbers. Write common nouns for these group of proper nouns. Bhopal, Kanpur, Lucknow, Mathura. What are they? Cities. So, what is a common name for them? Cities. India, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Russia. They are countries. So, common name for them is countries. Like this, you will complete this page number 10 and 11. Bye-bye.